Hello folks, it's been a while since I've been out to fly. I've been on vacation with the family. Just got a few planes out today. Just having a little fun. Haven't flown this one in a while. This is the FMS Cessna 182 1.5 meter. Just absolutely scale beauty. Put a little tick of flaps. I'm gonna move that rock. Alright, a little bit of takeoff flaps in. Got a little breeze, maybe 5 miles an hour. Won't bother this thing too much. Flaps up. Just a big, beautiful bird. I have the AR 631 Plus in this one also. Just being big, and with that she handles the wind pretty nice. See it bobbling around a little bit. Wind's a little different. Get up there 100 feet off the ground. See if we can wake her up a little. On a 4S, HRB 4S 3300, 100C packs. These packs do really well. Lots of flight time, lots of power. Ooh, wind's picking up just a little. Look at that scale beauty. I think I got a 4-minute timer set on this pack. No, excuse me, 5 minutes on this bird, this pack. Let's drop some flaps, see if we can bring her in low and slow. Oh yeah. Now the flaps. Shows up good against that dark shaded mountains. flaps again. See if we can bring her in, touch her down. Eat those dips. You can hear my timer ticking. That was 5 minutes. Such a beautiful plane. Love it.